Hello, crypto enthusiasts and crypto peanuts and crypto lovers. Warm welcome to our next level video, FluxxFusion. In this video, I am going to share about this token that is also going to be next big hidden gem. And pre-sale is upcoming on the pink sale. You can also check out after 31 days. Pre-sale will be start. So you can also have a good time that you can add your friends into your group to aware of this FluxxFusion token that will be work, and this is also next big thing, and we should not miss out upcoming pre-sale. And this is the top level project that I am going to share in this video. If you want to know about this project, what is this FluxxFusion? This is based a next revolutionary Binance Smart Chain token that is going to be used as a bridge between the traditional fiat economics and decentralized power of blockchain technology. Means Flex coin. Flex Fusion's coin is a secure and transparent thing that you can use for the next generation e-commerce platform too. But there is also how much is total number of total token. You can check there is 300 million total token supply. Contract address have been announced, and there you can also check now. Flex Fusion with the token ticker symbol is Flux, and you can even check that there is also transaction fees that are very minimal. And next you can also check their project vision, what their team is going to do in next future. Everything is on the screen. First of all, you need to know what is this. This is not just a token. This is not just about coin that you are going to participate into pre-sale to be a holder or be a part of community. This is the movement where you need also something that can change your life. Then you have to support this ecosystem and their vision and the strategies. According to that, your life will be changed. And in the first phase, they are also going to launch and community expand through Telegram and Twitter. Yes, there is also Telegram. You can even check out. I will provide a link in my video where people are going to join the digital asset. And there is next e-commerce ecosystem, means utilities are going to be used, and utilities and the strategic partnership with major KOLs, so that this coin will be next something that is called real gem. We can also check, and very soon there will be online banking system will start in the year for the financial year expansion, so we can also join how it work. First of all, here I like these transitions and the website working designs too. This can be something original. This can be said as one of the fascinating work with these strategies. But if you want to know more details about the pre-sale that is upcoming on the pink sale, and the ad have been listed now, there you can check after 31 days the pre-sale will start, where you need to connect the wallet. Yes, you can use BNB supported wallet like Wallet Connect, Token Pocket Wallet, what you have installed, and then you can put the number of BNB and click on the option swap. And next you can also get some basic information, how much is total market cap, how the pre-sale, and when it will be listed on PancakeSwap. Everything will be update on this page. And next you can check some details on the white paper. Yes, this coin is going to be a next big bridge between the fiat and digital blockchain, and there are also some project vision to make the whole world on a single platform, so that they can empower user of frictionless converse like currencies, so they can also swap from one currency to another currency without any worry. So you can join this project, and you can also check that this is already KYC certified project that has also a big impact for the influencers to come and be a part, and you can also get their community. You can join them. I will provide link in my video. You can ready your mind, your asset, so you can participate into the pre-sale that is upcoming very soon. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video.